I've been going through some stuff the last few weeks that have just been excruciating. I think I may have actually hit an emotional low in my life within the last 3 weeks, and certainly working through that. But you today are number 4, the 4th person in the last week and a half that has said that I needed to read a Proverbs a day.
Wow.
So at some point, I say that's just God trying to get my attention. So thank you for that reminder. It's interesting how these messages just keep coming in when you're in one of those moments where you're saying, why God aren't you talking to me? And you realize that you were only looking for a selfish response, and then all of a sudden it all starts coming in like 4 or 5 days later. So thanks for being part of that.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I'm like you. I need 3 or 4 signs. It only took 50 people to tell me I need to write a book before I finally got off my butt and got that done, right? So I get it, man. I totally get it. We're all more, and that's why when I chose the topic for today and talking about personal development, a portion of me says, "Oh, no, they're already doing this stuff." But the reality is if you're anything like me, just a nudge, a reminder, a hint to either A, get it going again, or B, get it going at all, is all it really takes. It literally can be the difference between, as we talk about, we get into a plane in San Diego and we head for San Francisco, and we're off on the variances by just a little bit. We're going to end up in Japan, right? So it's very, very easy for the trajectory where we're going to end up to change significantly just by one little tweak or 2 little tweaks to help keep us going in the right direction. So no, thank you for that. I appreciate that.
Well said.
But yeah, thanks, Rob, for sure. Definitely one thing that came to mind when we were talking about all the self-development stuff and everything is I've been in Proverbs. I try to do a proverb a day. That's why I said that. So that was one of my good spiritual fathers and mentors has always told me that. So I try to read a proverb a day. But one thing that definitely kind of stood out to me is that iron sharpens iron. And so other people that are sharpening themselves can help other people sharpen themselves as well too. So when you suggest the podcast and these other people that are also trying to learn and grow, you can learn a lot from that. And I do believe life and death is in the power of the tongue, and if you use it well, you'll be able to speak life into other people and help bring life to others as well too. So that's just one of the big takeaways I took from today.
Amen, man. Life and death in the power of the tongue. Well put, brother. Well put. James talks about it being as small, tiny as it is. It steers, steers the ships of our lives. So it's crazy. Yeah, it's powerful, actually.